If you want to speed up downloads in Google Chrome, one useful setting you can turn on is parallel downloading. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable parallel downloading in Google Chrome on your computer or Android device, step by step. This is a quick and easy Chrome tweak that can help improve how Chrome handles downloading files, especially if you download larger files often. If this video helps, please go ahead and hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or Android device. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar at the top and type Chrome//flags, then press Enter. This will take you to Chrome's experimental settings page, where you can enable hidden features and performance options. Now, at the top of the page, you'll see a search box. Click in that search box and type parallel downloading. As you type, Chrome will filter the results and show the setting you need right away. Look for the option called parallel downloading. Next, click the drop-down menu beside it and change the setting to enabled. This tells Chrome to use parallel connections when downloading files, which can help improve download speed in some cases. After that, you'll need to apply the change. At the bottom of the page, click the Relaunch button. Chrome will restart, and when it opens again, the new setting will be active. And that's it. You've successfully enabled parallel downloading in Google Chrome. It only takes a minute, and it's a simple way to optimize your browser if you want a better downloading experience. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful Chrome tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.